Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So now we have completed this add, edit and delete and all those things. Now if you try to add some data here, you will able to see the timestamp. Here the ID has been, it is added as a timestamp. So for example, tomorrow, no not tomorrow, now in the next coming videos, we will be implementing the authentication. So if two users are there simultaneously adding a same node, not same node, adding a node at a time, then the ID you will be able to see the timestamp. If you follow the timestamp as an auto generated ID, so the two nodes will be created with the same ID. This should not be there. So why? Because the ID always should be unique. So you should not able to add the duplicate nodes. So for this reason, what we can do, so we can tell to the file store itself to auto generate the ID instead of generating by ourselves. So for that one, what we can do here, so we know that for this one, for getting a data, not getting a data, what is this one? For adding a data, we have learned about the two types of methods. One is a set doc and another one is an add doc. If you try to see at the bottom, so here the set doc means, so you will be providing the auto generated ID. If you try to use the add doc, then for that add doc, automatically the ID will be auto generated by the file store. Let's try to use this add doc instead of set doc. So for that reason, what we can do, so here in our add nodes, here this is our add nodes, right? And we are using the current date as the ID, but I don't want that one. So I will change it to add doc. Okay, this should be imported from the file store, and this is our thing, and we should not provide the ID. Why? Because automatically it will be created. And now there is no need to give this doc and all those things. So directly you can give the nodes collection ref, and the content will be node content, right? So the content will be the node content. So this is enough. Now if you try to create a new one, so let's delete all this collection. I am deleting all this collection. So we need to provide the collection name for confirmation. Yeah, okay. Let's delete all this collection. Now what I will try to do is, so let's refresh this page. So nothing is happening. Now here I am adding the first node. Okay. So first node is created, and I am creating the second node. So second node is also created, and I will be creating the third node. Okay. And the third node, if I try to create, third node is here at the bottom. Now if you go and see in the nodes list, if you see here, refresh the page, and here we will be able to see the nodes collection, and here the ID has been generated with a unique one, right? So this is the auto generated ID. Fine, this is fine. So here if you try to see second node, first node, third node, so these all the data is not displaying in a zigzag manner. If I try to add another node, where it will be displayed, so I don't know. So let's try to, so here in the middle it is coming. So it should be coming in such a way that in a descending order it should be. So added by added date, descending order it should come. So for that reason, what we can do, so here let's insert the date for each one, at what date it has been added. So for that reason, what I can do is, so in our code, in our add node itself, I will use the date, current date. I will save the current date here. That's it. So not data, date. I will save the date. So for this one, you will be having the content and also the date. Now if you go here into our thing, and if I delete this all collection nodes, so delete this entire nodes and go to the app, and here I will be having the first node, second node. So this should come at the top, not top. So third node. So this time, so we haven't ordered this one in the ascending order, right? Third node. Now you are able to see these all things, right? Now if you go to the nodes list, and if I refresh this nodes collection, let's see what will happen. Now if you refresh this page, and if you try to see the nodes collection, and here you will be able to see the content and also the date, content and also the date, content and also the date. So here we are able to add the date to the content nodes collection. Now another thing what I want to do is, so here we are able to see all these things. Now what I want to do is, I want to order these all the things by this date. Okay, I want to order these all the things by this date. So how we can do this one? So if I try to use this one, where it will come in the middle, it is coming. Actually this one should come at the top. Why? Because they recently added notice this one. So what is the step we can do is, so in our documentation, if you go to the read data, you will be able to see order and limit data. Okay, so this is our order and the limit data. If you go here the query cities ref order by name. So here we are order by a particular key, and also we can limit those things also. So let's copy this one. Okay, let's copy this one. Fine. And here if you want to use it, what we need to do is, so here on snapshot, right, this on snapshot, instead of using it here, let's create a variable constant notes collection query. I will be using the notes collection query, and let's paste it here, notes collection query, and this should be imported, query should be imported, and here the cities ref is nothing but the notes collection ref, and here order by name, it's not a name, it's a date, and we can remove the limit. Okay, we are not focused on the limit, and this is our notes collection query. And let's copy this notes collection query and go down in the on snapshot, we will paste it here. Get notes, in the get notes we will use this notes collection query. And if you go to the white app and if you refresh this page, gone. What could be the issue? I don't know. So let's try to check this issue. And here in the console, what is the issue? Order by is not defined. Okay, fine. So we need to import this order by also. Where is this order by? Notes collection query. Yeah, here order by date. And now if you try to do this one, and here if you try to refresh this page, so nothing will happen. Yeah, now we are able to get these all things. By default, these all will come in a ascending order. If you want to mention that one descending, so you need to mention like this descending order. Let's make this one as descending, order by date, comma, descending. Now all these things will come vice versa. If you try to refresh this page, let's close this one. Now SGSD will come at the top. So now if I think whatever you add it at the top, it will come. Why? Because it is ordered by date. So this is how we will be adding these all things. Now here we are able to make it as a dynamic ID. Firestore is deciding the auto generated ID, and also we are having the content and date, and we are ordering with the date. Okay, so this is how we will be adding it. And now if you want to limit, means you can also limit it. So we are right now, it is not thing. So if you want to use limit of 3, if you are limiting, so only the 3 items will be shown. So if you try to see here, let's see, the limit should be imported. So we are not importing it, right? Let's try to import the limit. Yeah, if you see the output, let's refresh this page. Now you are able to see only the 3. Like this, if you want to limit it, you can also limit it. So this is not part of us. So we are not implementing the limit conditions and all the things. Yeah. So like this, we will be auto generating the ID, and also we will be using the order by thing. Now what I will try to do is, I will commit this all the code in a new branch, that is video hyphen, where is this video hyphen? Yeah, where it will go, where it has gone. Oh, sorry, video hyphen 99. So it's our video hyphen 99. One more to go for 100th video in Vue composition API, and order by and limit. Okay, so save it. So let's come publish this branch. Whoever may be having a doubts in this one, so you can refer to my GitHub URL. So the URL will be provided in the description below of this video. So you can go to this GitHub URL and you can see this code. So whichever video you are having doubt, you can go to that particular video branch and you can take a look at the reference. Hope you understood about this order by thing. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.